Kia ora and welcome to the ABA for this night of fighting action in Muay Thai, and we'll be featuring 14 bouts of action coming your way here on Whakaata Māori this evening. It is indeed a pleasure to be your ring announcer this evening, and a warm welcome for those of you watching on Whakaata Māori and for those of you who have come out to support our athletes tonight here at the ABA, the scene of so many wonderful fights in the years gone by. It is indeed a great pleasure to welcome you here tonight on behalf of Mana FC as Whakaata Māori embarks on a new journey, bringing combat sports and live combat sports to our people as we acknowledge the growing popularity of combat sports right throughout the motu. And in the months and years ahead, you can expect to see more featuring on Whakaata Māori as we continue to encourage us to be active in our sporting lives. Of course, many of these athletes tonight will be somewhat nervous as they make their way into this proud ring, but we must ensure that we acknowledge their efforts as they grow themselves personally, the disciplines involved in the fight game. It is an absolute privilege to have you here. Tēnā koutou, tēnā koutou, kia ora mai tātou. Welcome everybody to our first fight night. It's called WHAKAPAPA from Mana FC and Whakaata Māori. We've got 14 bouts on our card tonight, culminating in the New Zealand Muay Thai lightweight title. Let's get the action underway. We'll be inviting the fighters out of the blue corner into the ring throughout the evening. With that in mind, could you put your hands together, please, and welcome to the ABA here for the Mana FC Whakapapa night. This is Iris Tinklin.